again, everybody. I have made it to the Falmouth Audubon. My goal today is to find the 7 wonders of nature, and I am going to start with number 1. Let's see how I do. Here we have an example, a very crazy example of an animal's home. There, if my camera will focus, is the home of a frog hopper. Its nymphs, when they are young, and they're like babies, encase themselves in bubbles of spit upon branches just like this, and they grow in the springtime. So someone right now is encased in their own spit. Ah, nature is crazy. Turkey. I've spotted a turkey. Gotta be quiet. Oh, turkey. All right. Easy does it. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, hi. It looks like it's pecking at the dirt, getting under there for some food, scavenging, and just using its feet to move the leaves around. You can see how it dug up the ground to get at some mites and grubs, probably some ticks. Wouldn't that be nice? And this is where it was just digging with its foot. How cool! Turkey sighting, yes! Here's number 3, a sign that an animal is here. Look at that tree. That has been drilled away by woodpeckers. They're making big holes in that tree, getting at the grubs and bugs that are inside, and the woodpeckers know that. So that was a good sign that an animal is here. Number 3, check. Oh, there goes our something crawling. That was a gray squirrel. Where'd he go? Where on earth? He's fast. Oh, there he goes. Squirrel! Aw, buddy. Aw, he's so cute. Just itching himself, clicking himself, doing natural squirrely daily things. There he goes. All right, check. Now I'm looking for number 5, something flying. Perhaps you all might spot something. That shrill twee that you hear, that one just there, that's a red-winged blackbird. Hey, there he goes, red-winged blackbird. Something flying, number 5. Check. The Audubon also has this amazing pond. Let's see if we can happen to find something swimming in there. Aha! Number 6, something swimming. Found some minnows, some tiny fishes here in the water, just near the edge of the pond, underneath a lot of growth, just off the dock. Number 6, something swimming. Check! Here we have number 7, my personal favorite wonder. These birch trees just here, I like them a lot. They're the only ones out here that are near the field, and there's just a whole patch of them that are just sitting here. And I really enjoy walking by them. I want to take pictures of them every season. They look beautiful no matter what the season, no matter what colors are behind them. And they're just off the path. Number 7, check. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you all for joining me today on this nature walk scavenger hunt. I hope that I've inspired you to go out and see if you can find some of these things yourself. And yeah, I found almost everything on the list except animal tracks. It has been very dry out, so the ground hasn't been very soft for animals to make prints in. I suppose I could count the turkey scuffing up the ground as tracks. Yeah, alright, let's count it. Animal tracks, animal tracks, check. I got them all.